All right. Should I vacuum my pool on filter or waste was the YouTube video that has this question. Does this include a sand filter saltwater intex system? The advice for should you vacuum it on filter or waste?
I am always going to be a proponent of vacuuming it on filter. However, and to clarify where that video was probably going, was in an extreme case when you have massive amounts of debris that were left over from a storm, if you had a really bad water chemistry problem and you have all this stuff in the pool. If you have a massive amount of stuff that needs to get out, or a pool cover that fell in for winter and there's tons of debris on the bottom and there's tons of just gunk, that's when you would want to run it on waste and try to get it out as quickly as possible. Again, you're losing water as you're running it on waste, but that's the only time that I would highly recommend doing that. Normally, under normal circumstances, run the pool on filter and vacuum it and then backwash. Sometimes when there's so much debris, you start to vacuum and immediately it plugs up and you got to backwash, and then you immediately get it running again and it plugs up and you got to backwash. So that in those cases, that's when oftentimes we'll just vacuum right to waste. You just get rid of all of that. You lose a lot of water, but you get rid of all of that debris real quick. And so unless there's an extreme situation, it doesn't matter what, if it's an intex system or a Hayward system or anything else, always try to run it on filter.
There you go.